Honestly, staring down at this paper right now,
I can't even begin to describe the relief.
not bad, eh? Around this time last year, I was completely gutted, staring at barely 114 marks across all 3 papers combined, feeling like I was just permanently stuck behind a wall I couldn't climb. It felt suffocating, honestly. Like no matter what I did, I was never going to get past it. I had failed my GCSE maths. To open this envelope today and see a full 2-grade improvement in just 1 year. It's crazy. Every single hour of grinding, every moment of frustration, and every time I felt like giving up, it all turned out to be completely worth it. Having that support, having someone who actually broke things down and helped me escape that rut, changed everything for me. I'm finally through. I passed, and I can finally move forward.